At the heart of this, teenagers really are quite self-absorbed. That's understandable. We have been for decades because the whole identity crisis is about finding out me, figuring out me, coming to understand me. And and so we have this huge preoccupation with myself, how I'm perceived. Matter of fact, you could call it the cult of me. I'm following me. I'm trying to project me. I'm trying to. It's really a form of narcissism, where actually a self-centered high sense of my importance and that you should value me as much as I want you to value me. And in doing so, what happens is I must be worth something. I must be good. I must be okay. But the silly thing about or the dangerous thing, maybe is a better word, about the social media world is there are strangers or general others who are the ones that are commenting upon the value and worth of my life.